Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Serein. So we're gonna do kind of like an real-time shop with me at Sephora inside JCPenney for some holiday gifts that I plan on getting my friends. I've been eyeing them for a while and I hopefully will give it to them. I might use it myself. So here we are. So I just got home from Sephora inside JCPenney and I'm going to show you what I ended up picking out and who I recommend these gifts for. Honestly, this is going to be really hard to actually physically give these gifts to someone because they're really nice. Overall, I was really impressed with the Sephora inside JCPenney. I thought they had a lot of really great gift ideas, gift sets, products that I've been eyeing that I've been wanting to try myself or to give to my friends and family this holiday season. They were really well stocked with some of the more popular items that I've been eyeing, so I was very happy because I'm always nervous when I walk into a store that they're not going to have everything I have had my eye on. Sometimes I get panicky and feel like everything I want is gonna be sold out. So I was very happy to report that they had plenty of all the items I was eyeing. I liked that the store was really well stocked in terms of not just inventory, but tissue, cotton pads, makeup remover, alcohol, like so that I was able to swatch and test everything out. I also was really impressed because this location had amazing help. They were more than happy to help me find things, very attentive and helpful, which was awesome. All time, I had my point perk. So I had a bunch of points I've been collecting and one of the 500 point perks was the PTR Fantastic Four, so I got that with my points. First item I purchased is the Sephora Favorites Makeup Must-Haves Makeup Sampler. This is Sephora inside JCPenney exclusive with only $39, but you have $119 value. I was shocked, and I was really shocked that you get a full size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick and a full size of Huda Beauty Harmony False Lashes Marc Jacobs eyeliner, which I was trying to wipe off, and I was wiping everything off with the makeup remover and it was coming off, and then the Marc Jacobs eyeliner did not even budge, and Chris was like, oh my gosh, hold on, let me get footage of this. And I was like rubbing, and just a little bit of it faded while on camera. So that is a really great black gel eyeliner. Fenty Beauty highlight, a Too Faced primed and peachy primer, a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea mist, and this beautiful blush from Tarte. So it's just a really great collection. You're also going to get this really beautiful sparkly bag, and I feel like this is such a great present for somebody who is maybe starting out in makeup or who likes luxury beauty products but maybe doesn't always get the chance to try a bunch of different things. That's what I love about these type of kits. And this one is Sephora inside JCPenney, so make sure you visit one of those to pick up this kit. I think it's such a great value. I personally would give this to my friends who love makeup, or even my friends who, while they love makeup, they're not super adventurous because it can be pretty pricey to buy a full-size product. I was watching Chris again. His commentary is so funny, so hopefully if the music's not too loud, I can insert some of his commentary. But he's like, wow, that's just really pretty. I just think this is such a great value and such a great little gift that's about like 40 bucks, and someone will find so much joy in it, because even though these are minis, except for 2 products, there's so much product in all of these minis. Like this mascara is gonna last, for me, these mascaras last me like 3-4 weeks. Get a full-size lipstick from Anastasia. This is a really universally flattering shade, which I appreciate. It's a matte lipstick. I swatched it in the stores and it's absolutely stunning. And I couldn't believe the value for it and the quality of the products in here. They're all well-known, reputable brands with good products. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of Biossance, and this is the Squalane and Peptide Gel. I've been really curious about trying more Biossance products. I love that they are clean, plant-based, but also science-driven. This one is supposed to reduce puffiness and dark circles. This is something that I feel like would be great for somebody who is not super into makeup, but really into skincare, or somebody like your mom, your older sister, your older cousin, even your husband. I recommend investing in a little skincare that's also clean and toxic free for those of the more mature in your life, or those who are becoming a little bit more mature. For me, I personally love eye products, and I've been wearing eye cream since I was in high school. I did a 3-step SPF and eye cream day and night, and I think that's why I'm able to look as good as I look in my 30s. I personally would purchase this and give it to someone like my older sister, someone like Chris, who's my husband, who wouldn't go and buy this himself but could definitely benefit from it. Even like my friends around my age, because they're all having babies, they work, they're after their careers, they're raising families, and they just don't have time to get the kind of sleep that they need. So a good eye cream can really benefit them. This palette is just beautiful and perfect for the holidays, because look how gorgeous just the box is. This is screaming holiday, and if you're not a gift wrapper like I am, I hate wrapping presents. When I try, it almost looks like really bad usually. So I love pretty packaged items that I can just slap a bow and a card or a tag on and like stick it under the tree, hand it off to somebody. It's already beautifully packaged. So this is the Sultry Palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. So gorgeous. Oh, I hadn't seen it in person until today, and when I went and saw it in person and then I touched it, both Chris and I were like, I cannot believe how beautifully pigmented and how beautifully smooth the swatches were of this palette. I'm not giving this away because so pretty. I was actually going to give this to one of my friends who really enjoys wearing eye makeup. You all know those friends. There's the friends who barely wear any eye makeup. There's the friends who wear the same eye makeup all the time, which that's really me. Or there's the friend who really loves to play with color, but still very subtle. They love glitter. They love mixing up palettes. They just love a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And that was gonna go to this friend, but after swatching it in the shop, this is going to me. This is definitely more for that like girly girl, the glam girl, the girl who loves playing with shimmers and metallics and sparkles. It's absolutely stunning. The quality is phenomenal, and the packaging, even just on the palette, is so fun. I love how sparkly it is. It does come with a dual-ended brush, has a nice mirror as well. This is just so pretty. The lip product I purchased was the Fenty by Rihanna Unveil. I actually still have some of it swatched on my hand left. I know these are very popular. A lot of people bought the red one. I actually own the red one. I haven't worn it yet, but you're supposed to shake this up. I just think the doe foot applicator is so unique. I'm sure you guys have all seen this at this point, but that's what that looks like. And I feel like it's just so good in applying the liquid lip. This is the shade. It's so smooth and thin and pigmented. I love this shade, and this is something I feel like anybody could use. There's a lot of new neutral shades from Fenty. It's also really beautiful classic red. And if you know somebody who just loves lip products but they don't like reapplying their lip product like me, a liquid lipstick is a great idea. Sephora collection also makes some great liquid lipsticks as well. This one's great for like a stocking stuffer, or to go along with maybe a gift card that you purchased for somebody, or movie tickets. This is just a really beautiful thing to kind of keep in your stash of gift giving products. I like to get stock up on those staple items I know people are gonna love, and keep it in like, oops, I forgot to get you something, or oops, I feel like I need to get you a little more. It would just be beautiful together with the eyeshadow palette. if you wanted to wrap it together, throw it in a bag together. Finally, I think this would be a great stocking stuffer or an addition to present is the original Beauty Blender in black. My favorite one is the black one. I use it the most, and it's just, who doesn't love Beauty Blenders? I truly feel like out of all the sponges I've ever used, Beauty Blender is the best quality, it's the best application wise, and it's the ones that last me the longest. I'll find other sponges that will kind of work almost as good as a Beauty Blender, but it just doesn't last quite as long as a Beauty Blender does. Beauty Blenders are great, especially for someone on a budget, somebody who you know wears makeup and loves makeup, but maybe isn't replacing their Beauty Blender as frequently as they maybe should. Everybody loves receiving an original Beauty Blender because they're that good, and this is a great throw into the stocking or add it to the top of a present that's larger, or just good to have and give out. Anyone would appreciate this. I know I would. That's everything I purchased at this trip for Sephora inside JCPenney. I thought it would be fun to kind of do a real-time shopping with me and sharing with you some of my gift-giving ideas for the beauty lover in your life. And I promise you there is a beauty lover in your life, even if you don't know that they're a beauty lover. I feel like there's just something so universal about beauty products and skincare in general and hair care is that it's interesting, it's beautiful, people get excited about it, and the possibilities of a new lip product, the possibilities of a new eyeshadow palette, or even just like the best version of your skin with a new skincare line or skincare routine. People love beauty because of what it represents, and to me it represents beauty from the inside out, outside in, whichever way you want to look at it. When I look and feel my best, I am able to be the best version of myself. And when I'm having a bad day, playing with makeup puts me in a better mood. So I hope it does that for you and the ones you love this holiday season. Thank you so much to Sephora inside JCPenney for partnering with me on this video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, give this video a thumbs up. I try to upload at minimum twice a week, every Friday and Sunday for sure, but for December I will be doing Vlogmas because it was highly requested by you guys, so there'll be 5 new videos every week in December. Follow me on Instagram, all that fun stuff. I'll have all the products listed in the description box. Everything is in the description box, but thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!